So in this quick tutorial I will show you how to install OBS on your computer or laptop. Simply open your any browser and search OBS Studio, and this is the OBS official website. You can check with their logo, so go to their website. And now if you are using Windows, then you need to select Windows, MOC for Mac, and for Linux you have to select a Linux. I am currently using Windows, so I am selecting Windows, and it's need to download. Just press on save and wait a couple of seconds to complete the downloading process. So my download is complete. Now you need to install it on your PC. Double click on this icon and you have to press on yes and press on next, again press on next, and you can select your path where you want to install it. So I am installing with my C drive. Press on install. So once installed done, you need to press on finish, and it's already launched, automatic launch. And OBS logo is here, and now you need to set up it. So this is how you can easily install OBS on your laptop or PC. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.